Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are showing you a very interesting, beautiful and talk about beautiful denim handbags ideas. Most beautiful stylish denim handbags every girl will love, and trendy denim handbags collection for the daily use. It's a very beautiful denim handbags and these ideas for fashion lovers. So must watch denim handbag designs for beginners. It's a very beautiful, amazing denim handbag styles so you should try today. And simple and stylish and fashionable handbags ideas in this video, and unique denim handbags design for modern girls. Easy and trendy handbags you will love and you carry everywhere. And top denim bags style for stylish look. Cute denim bags ideas for young girls. And they are a good choice for students because they are practical. It's a very beautiful, amazing. And these bags are also great gift idea for friends and family. Dear friends, some bags have multiple pockets to keep things organized, and this is a amazing, give a trendy and modern look. And these ideas is many design come with strong handles and zipper for safety. Recycling old denim bags into bags in a smart and creative idea. Recycling old denim into bags is a smart and creative idea. And some denim bags have beautiful patches and pearls which makes them more attractive. Denim fabric is thick, so it protects your items inside the bags, and these bags have a casual and cool look. They match easily with everyday outfits. You can find handmade denim handbags which look unique, and these bags can be styled with both Eastern and Western dresses. All ideas is very creative and most beautiful and most popular fashion idea. They are a good choice for students because they are practical, and these bags are also a great gift idea for friends and family. You can customize denim bags with your name or designs, and they stay in fashion every year and look old. Denim handbags are comfortable to carry for long hours, and many brands now promote denim bags as a sustainable fashion items. These bags are simple but very elegant, and they can be used in all seasons without any problem. Denim bags show your smart and stylish personality. Choosing a denim handbag is a good mix of fashion and useful items. All ideas is very creative and very useful. Denim is one of the most durable fabrics, and that's why it's perfect for making long-lasting handbags. Recycling denim is not only trendy but also helps reduce waste and protect the environment. You can create simple tote bags using old jeans with minimal cutting and stitching. Adding pockets from jeans can make your handbag both stylish and functional. A cross-body denim bag is perfect for daily use and gives a casual yet chic look. And you can decorate your denim bags with embroidery for a unique handmade touch. Try adding lace or printed fabric patches to create contrast and beauty. Using colorful threads can make your bag stand out even more. Old denim can be combined with leather pieces for a more premium design. Always make sure to clean and iron your denim before starting any project. If you are a beginner, start with simple designs like pouches or mini bags. Recycling denim is a great way to save money while creating something valuable. And you can also sell your handmade denim bags and earn income from your creativity. Always use strong stitching so your bag can carry weight easily. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. You can use belt looks from jeans or unique handle holders. Try making backpacks from denim for a trendy and youthful style, and mixing different shades of denim creates a modern patchwork designs. Keep your designs neat and clean for a professional finish. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas and styles. Denim handbags are perfect for casual outing, shopping, or even college use. Adding beads or pearl can give your bag a fancy look. Always measure properly before cutting to avoid mistakes. Recycling teaches the value of reusing and being responsible. Handmade items always have a special charm and emotional value. Encourage your friend and family to try recycling projects too, and practice regularly to improve your designing and stitching skills. Stay patient, good designs take time and effort. Keep your creativity alive and always think of new ways to reuse old things. Remember, friends, small steps like recycling can make a big difference in the world. So start today, pick up your old denim and turn it into a beautiful handbag. Stay creative, stay positive, and keep making amazing designs. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for listening. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, very creative and demanding ideas. Most beautiful and very creative denim handbags ideas. And this one's a very beautiful embroidery patch, granny square patch, leather patches and lace patches with pearls, beads, amazing touches. So thanks for watching my videos. It is the most highly demanding, very trending fashion with old jeans convert into. Some designs include handmade painting, which looks very artistic. And some bags have multiple pockets to keep things organized, and denim bags give a trendy and modern look. They are budget friendly and not too expensive. You can find handmade denim handbags which look unique, and these bags can be styled with both Eastern and Western dresses. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Most beautiful, most demanding, different ideas, and these bags are lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. You can use denim handbags for shopping, college, or daily use. Many designs come with strong handles and zippers for safety. Denim handbags are easy to clean. You can wash them at home. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and Assalamu alaikum.